Hello YouTube, I want to do a quick parts list on this Samsung television. Here's the make and model. Here's the model code. Okay, and here's our business card if you guys have any questions. Here's the pedestal. I like to show that sometimes it kind of helps. That's what it looks like. That's the stand. Here's the whole TV. It has inverter, a power supply, main, and T-con, 4 boards. Let's look at the panel first. Panel's right here. Main board is right there. Okay, it's a main board. Let me get part number off of it. There's a label right here. Hopefully this is legible for you guys. Here's a number off of the tuner, which I like to do also. Okay, here's a couple more labels. Okay, here's all the inputs on it, just to give you an idea what it looks like. It's got all these inputs here, and it's got a sideboard down here. I believe it's, I'm not sure what it is, so I'll just try to videotape it for you guys. Because the way the set sitting, it's very difficult to see it. So, there, that's a little better. Okay, alright. Sorry I didn't take the shield off of the T-con, but I will include that in the parts list. Here's the power supply. Okay. Part number is maybe this one, or what else we got here? Here's not the serial number. It's nothing. I don't know. I think that's the only part number there is. Here's something here. Alright, and also the last thing we're going to look at is the inverter, which is right here. And I'm sorry again I didn't take the shield off of this one, but I will include it in the parts list. Thanks for watching, YouTube.